In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use articles a, an, and they to improve your writing and speaking skills. You will construct your own sentences using the articles a, an, and they during this lesson. In the last lesson, you learned how adjectives are used to modify a noun. Articles do the same. They modify nouns. I am going to read you a very short story that uses articles in each sentence. I want you to notice how the author used a, an, and they in modifying nouns such as apple, tree, and ant. Right? Okay. I would like to ask you to listen very careful when I'm reading this very short story. It's gonna take us a few seconds. Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. I saw an apple falling from a tree. The apple was big, red, and round. A squirrel came down the tree and picked up the apple. An hour later, an ant climbed the tree. It was looking for an apple. There were many apples in the tree. Interesting story, right? Okay, now let's see if you remember how the author used articles to modify nouns. Is this sentence correct? I saw an apple falling from any tree. You're correct. The articles used are wrong, totally wrong. Can you tell me how to correctly use the articles? Yes, the sentence should read, I saw an apple falling from a tree. We use an when the noun has a vowel sound, right? For example, an egg, an elephant, an ant. What other nouns can be modified using an? Who can try? Correct. Very good. An orange. What about the second sentence? It fell from a tree. Is that correct? You're correct. It's supposed to be it fell from a tree, right? A is used to modify consonant sounding words, right? We all still remember what vowels are and consonant are, right? So a is used to modify consonant sounding words such as tree, box, cake, and what else? Mouse. What other words can be modified using a? Yes, a shirt. What else? A house. Very good. Now, I want you to fill in the blank with the appropriate article. A, an, or the. If there is no article needed, just leave the space and complete the sentence. Does it make sense? You put on the correct article from those three, a, and the. If there is no need, it's fine. You can leave it blank, right? We're gonna go ahead with our first sentence. I want dash apple from that basket. Yes, I want an apple from that basket. Number 2, dash church on the corner is progressive. Dash church on the corner is progressive. We can try. Very good. The church on the corner is progressive. Let's look at the third question. Miss Lin speaks dash Chinese. Miss Lin speaks a Chinese? No, let's give it a try again. Yes, we leave it blank. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. It's correct with no article. There is no need for an article, right? Our fourth question. I borrowed dash pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. I borrowed a pencil. Very good, a pencil. Our fifth question. One of the students said, dash professor is late today. Dash professor is late today. One of the students said, yes, the professor is late today. Is the, right? The sixth question. Ellie likes to play dash volleyball. No, we cannot say Ellie likes to play and volleyball. Remember, we use N when we have like a vowel sound, right? Volleyball. Ellie likes to play. Very good. There is no need for an article. Ellie likes to play volleyball. It's perfect like that. Ellie likes to play volleyball.